Hi everyone, welcome to Technical Hunter RJ. I'm Sarah, and today we're installing Youcine, the trending free app for movies, series, anime, and live TV on your Android TV. It's packed with HD content, but stick to legal streams and use a VPN for safety. Let's sideload it in under a minute. Step 1. Go to Settings. Device Preferences. Security and Restrictions. Enable unknown sources for downloader. Step 2. Search the Play Store for downloader, install, and open it. Step 3. In downloader, enter the URL theyoucine.com and hit Go. Download the latest 2025 APK, version 1.168. Step 4. Once downloaded, click Install, then Open. Sign in if needed, and start exploring categories. Pro tip: enable NordVPN first for private browsing. Youcine is ready on your Android TV. Like if this was quick and easy, subscribe for more app installs, and comment your must-watch show below.